Hey there, Tyrone here from Referral Systems. Today I've got something really interesting to share with you. It's about how we at Sims Professional Cleaning Service interact with our customers and how we appreciate their support. Let's get into it. Before we dive deep into details, let's talk about the workflow. After we complete a job, our system automatically sends out a text message. This isn't just any text message though. It's your invitation to join the conversation, to share your experience, and to become part of the community. So this automation ensures that we're always connected and that your feedback is always heard. So you see the SMS going out, and we're also going to send an email that goes out. And from that email, it's going to update the pipeline with a create opportunity one. The text message includes a link that takes you straight to our review page. Now, this isn't just a page where you leave a star rating and a comment. No, this is a place where we really get to hear from you. We want to know your stories, your experience, and how we made a difference in your day. Here's the cool part. You see a thumbs up and a thumbs down option. If you had a great experience and click the thumbs up, you'll be directed to Google to leave a review. If something didn't quite hit the mark and you click the thumbs down, a form will pop up asking for your feedback. But don't worry. Even if you click thumbs down, you still have the option to go to Google to leave a review. Now let's move on to something I'm really excited about, our referral program. This isn't just about getting new customers, it's about building a community. It's about you introducing your friends and then becoming part of your story. Here's how it works. You refer a friend to us, and when they book a service, you get a 25% discount on your next one. It's our way of saying thank you for bringing a new friend into our community. Hey, who doesn't love a good discount, right? And if you're feeling extra generous, you could even share this offer with your Facebook friends. It's like throwing a virtual party wherever everyone's invited. So that's it, folks. That's our review and referral system. It's not just about business. It's about people, connections, and community. It's about you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you're in the cleaning industry and want to learn more about how we do things at Revolutionize Systems, hit that subscribe button. And remember, we're all about conversations here. So leave a comment, share your thoughts, or just say hi. Until next time.